welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and as you've seen by the title, I'm gonna do a pride look today. I've been getting hounded by my best friend. So let me tell you a little bit here. Me and my best friend have been best friends since we were 5 years old, so a lot of years. She's been watching my videos a lot more lately, so she's like, well, when are you gonna do a pride look? And I'm like, I'm trying to get around to it. I've just been doing a lot of stuff. So here is the day. So hi, Danny, doing the look right now. Hopefully you like it. I already sent her a picture of this, so hopefully it'll go as planned. Now I got my supplies down here. We're gonna be using my favorite Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell palette. I mean, it's got every color I need. So I'm gonna start off with pink. I got a little diagram down here of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do kind of like a tie-dyed rainbow look. So I'm gonna start off with Morning Glory. And there's a certain way I'm gonna do this. I already have white base from the NYX Jumbo liner, Jumbo pencil in milk, so it looks white, so that it'll be more vibrant. So I seen some thing on Pinterest, and I'm kind of gonna just follow what I saw. You kind of make like almost an upside down L, and so that is your center. And then I'm going to use this brush the whole time, I think, so I'm just going to color switch it because I like the size of this brush. So let's do that on both sides. Do your upside down kind of L shape. Try to get them symmetrical as much as you can, but it'll be okay if it don't. So let's see here. I'm trying to look at my little diagram that I made. Well, either way, we'll make it work. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with purple. I'm gonna use the purple on the other side here. That is Morgan, which is that purple right there. Oops, that one. And I'm gonna just put it on the outside of the pink. I might be doing this backwards from how they did it, but we'll make it work. We'll do our own twist on things. It's what I normally do anyway. Looks kind of good so far. I don't think I'm going to blend it a whole lot because I want there to be a definition in there. So there's that. And then from that we go to blue. I'm going to use Mist, which is this color right here. I think it was different, but we're rolling with what we have. I'm going to go like kind of like that. And there's Fallout. I'm just going to leave that for now. And I'll probably go off screen to clean it up a little bit. But you get the gist of it, right? I might blend a tad bit together. So far, so good, right? Not bad. And then I'm going to go in with orange, which would be mental. I'm always dropping stuff when I'm on here. Mental. And that's gonna be right here. I'm doing it totally backwards from what it was supposed to be, but you're gonna be able to tell what it is. I hope. And like I said before, I'm pretty fast at doing eye looks. Like I said, I kind of need to slow down and be more precise, but that's not the kind of artist I am, really. I'm kind of like a get it done and get it over with type thing. Then I'm going to go in with yellow, which is Manchester. If you know Mitchell that made this palette, I think he's from there, but I don't know. Maybe he's not. And then we'll go in with the yellow. I think this really kind of does look tie-dyed. Rainbow tie-dyed for my best friend. She been hounding me for a minute, y'all. But it's okay. I planned on doing this anyways because Pride Month is important. I love the gays. I love my gay best friends. So, you know, I'm going to go in with green, which is money or shmoney. It's all these things in this palette starts with an M, so I'm assuming it's money, but it has a dollar sign in front of it, so I like to call it shmoney. That looks pretty cute so far. Let's see. Yeah, I do got fallout. I'm gonna go over all the colors real quick, and just to get them vibrant, I really need to go in with that purple. I feel like the purple is lost in translation, so I'm really gonna kind of go along that blue and make it more, make it stand out more. Like I said, I'm just going over with the colors I already have. And kind of making them more vibrant. So far so good. That really does look tie-dyed. I'm glad I did this. Looks so cute. Okay, now going over the orange, which, like I told you guys before, you got to get this palette for realsies. Just go on Beauty Bay. That's where I got mine from, and I don't even remember how much it was. I think it was like $50 or so, but I use this on a regular basis, and I love it with all my heart. If this went missing, I don't know what other color palette I would use, because I just love this one, like more than life itself almost. Just kidding. But I do love this palette. Doesn't that look good? Let me do a little bit more here. And that really does look tie-dyed. I'm going to put a little bit of Mad right here on the bottom, which is like a red color. Well, actually, let me get that fallout out. And put it underneath. She looking cute though. Okay, I think this is one of my favorite looks so far. Jeez. Thanks, Danny, for pushing me into doing this. I was going to do it anyway, and I was going to dedicate it to my friend Danny. She is a wonderful person. I'm lucky to have her. I mean, there's times we go where we don't talk, but she's like the friend, like you pick up where you left off, and you never feel awkward around her. She's just a good person, and I love spending time with her and her wife. It's fun. I just love it. I wish we had more time together. I just love it, and I wish we had more, but I love you, Danny. Of course, you know that. Sometimes I'm like, she don't want to make time for me. I don't love her no more, but I love you. I'm always gonna love you, and you're always gonna be my best friend. So I'm gonna go off screen, put on some mascara and some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. One moment. So I'm back. I just did a little blending, put a cat eye on and some lipstick. And this is the final look. So hopefully you like this look. I think it's gorgeous. Like, I love it. I would totally wear it out. Let's put some continuous setting spray on it. All right, so there you go, Danny. What do you think? I love doing makeup, and I love my gay best friend, and I love whatever. So anyways, if you like this rainbow tie-dyed Pride Month look, make sure you give me a like. Make sure you go in the description box and follow all my social medias. And that's all she wrote for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.